This very quick demo is going to take you through the process of how to use workflow in order to send notification to a specific user that a content item has gone through the approval process and has been released to the repository. My first step is to log in as WebLogic and go into administration and the workflow administration. I'm going to modify one of the existing criteria workflows. I'm going to disable it first, and then I'm going to add a step. In this step, I'll call it Release the Hounds. The exit condition is going to be at least this many users. So by putting 0, it's automatically going to execute this step. And for the users, I'll just go ahead and add Ann as a user. So now there's these 2 steps. I'm going to enable the workflow. So as the administrator, I will check in a new document. You may have seen back in the definition of the criteria workflow that it applied to policies and procedures. So we need to make sure we select that profile when we're checking in the document. I'll give it a title of 6:12 p.m., which is when I'm doing this. Just go out and grab a file. Down here, I'm going to check my simple approval workflow, and I'll assign it to Bob. Remember, we're going to send the notification to Ann. So I'll check in my document and do a quick search to see that my document is not available. So that means it's going through the ingestion process or the approval process. I'll log out and log back in as Bob. Again, I'll just show that the document has not been released and go to Bob's My Content Server, My Workflow Assignments, and you'll see here's the 6:12 p.m. document. I'll go ahead and approve this, and you can see as soon as it was approved that Ann got a message. I go and take a look at the message, and you can see that Release the Hounds is the message that she received. So again, that's a quick and dirty way of sending notification to somebody that a content item has been approved and released into the repository.